In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Gmail. So if you've ever been overwhelmed by an overflowing inbox and are desperately in need of some organization, this tutorial is just what you need. We'll guide you through each step to get your emails sorted into neat folders, or, as Gmail calls them, labels, so you can easily access and manage your communication. To begin with, let's make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to Gmail. If prompted, enter your login credentials and hit sign in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your inbox, which may vary depending on how many emails you receive daily. Now, let's set up a folder. While Gmail technically refers to these as labels, they function just as traditional folders do, allowing you to categorize and organize your emails. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a column with Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and possibly other labels or folders that you might have created in the past. Scroll down this list until you find More. Click on it to reveal additional options. After clicking More, scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see an option that says Create New Label. Click on that, and a small window will pop up, prompting you to enter a new label name. This is essentially where you'll name your folder, so choose a name that best represents the emails you plan to store in it. For example, you might call it Work for work-related emails, Family for communications from relatives, or even something like Receipts to keep track of all your bills and purchases. Once you've decided on a name, go ahead and type it into the box. Next, you'll have an option to nest this label under an existing one. Essentially, this allows you to create a subfolder within another folder, which can be a great way to further organize. This step is optional, so if you don't need a subfolder, feel free to skip this option. Once you're done, click the Create button. Congratulations! You've successfully created a new label in Gmail. Now, let's get some emails into that folder. Head back to your inbox and select the emails you wish to organize. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each email. Once you've selected the emails, look for the label icon at the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear displaying all your available labels. Simply scroll through the list, find the label you just created, and select it. You'll notice that the selected emails have been tagged with this label, and you can now easily access them by clicking directly on the folder under Labels on the left sidebar. And that's it! You've successfully organized your Gmail with labels. Remember, labels are dynamic and can really help streamline your inbox for enhanced productivity and ease of use. Feel free to create as many folders as you need to keep your email management on point. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing!